Bye. So they're saying bye. Hello and namaste everyone. So today is 19th of July and tomorrow is 20th of July. Obviously, if today is 19th and tomorrow is 20th, then tomorrow there is a festival and you can see this Adachi fireworks at Kitasunju. So tomorrow from 7:20 to 8:20 the festival is there at Kitasenju. And you know what's special about this is that the annual Adachi fireworks festival usually has around 13,000 fireworks. It means 13,000 times the fireworks will happen, you know. So it will be amazing to see 13,000 fireworks tomorrow. So for an hour the fireworks will continue. Isn't it amazing? From 7:20 to 8:20. And they are saying that if there are any storms or something like that, the event will be cancelled, but I don't think any storms was going to be there. Right now it's 10 o'clock at night, so let me sleep, and tomorrow I am going to go with you to show you the firework, you know. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, that while coming tonight from office to home, I stopped at Kokoroya and there was a box full of beetroot, and it was 500 yen only, full of beetroot, big beetroots, very red. So I thought of buying it, and I asked them that could you give it to me, but I can't carry it to my home because it's very heavy box. So the Tencho, the store manager, said I'll bring it to you to your home, and I was very glad to hear that. And I said, are you okay with that? Are you bringing the beetroot box tomorrow to my home? Is it fine with you? He said, yeah, you are a regular customer, so I can do that much for you. So tomorrow he's also going to come. So for now, let's sleep with the cabbage. So this cabbage I bought, but I have not prepared it, so it is becoming yellow. So yeah, let's wait for beetroot, then let's mix beetroot and cabbage some other day. I'll make it video for you. So I'll see you tomorrow. Let me sleep. Bye. Morning everyone. So here you can see right now it's 9:48. So I slept a little late and I woke up at 9:48 and I slept very nicely. And if I show you, see, 9:48 a.m. and it's too hot today, I think. Okay, but anyways, we are going to go in the evening, so it's fine, no need to worry. Today cycles are arranged very nicely. I don't know why. Otherwise it's messed up. Okay, let's shut the window. Now I'm going to go and do my shaving and all, and after that I'll take a bath also, because yesterday night I applied oil, the onion oil, so that's why my hair looks like this. So somebody is washing his clothes, so yeah, let it be. So we are going to use this one. So I've taken the bath and right now you can see it's 10:22. After 12 o'clock, the guy will come to deliver the beetroot. Actually, I'm very grateful to him because it's his shop and he doesn't go anywhere to deliver anything. But just I said that it's very heavy to carry to my home, box of beetroot. So he said, okay, I will deliver it to you. And he said, you are a regular customer, so I can do that much for you. So guys, I got the beetroots delivered. So let me show you how it looks like. See, this is beets. Okay. See, full of beetroots. But I think I have to eat them as early as possible. So guys, just now I had that beetroot and it was very tasty, and I gave it to many people and they said, yeah, it's very tasty. And many Japanese people don't know what beetroot is, and they said they have rarely seen this kind of fruit here in Japan. So I was quite shocked to see that, but it's fine. Now you can see it's 4:54, like in 5-6 minutes it will be 5 o'clock. And just now I met my Indian friend here and he said today 7 lakh people are coming to see that fireworks. This is the largest fireworks in the world. And if 7 lakh people, you can imagine how big the number is, if they are coming, then I don't know if I get the place to sit, to stand, how it is going to be. It is going to be amazing experience, I think. So they are also going, but they are 5-6 people, and if I go with them, then I can't stop at places and make videos. So I am thinking that I will go separately. Just on that note, hit the like button, press the subscribe button and bell button. Okay, so let's go in some time. Guys, so I'm ready now, and now let's go and see whether really 7 lakh people are getting and gathered there. So I have my bag with me so that if I have anything to put inside it, like if I buy anything, so I can put inside it. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm out now and it's a little bit hot outside and I have ridden my bicycle only for 2-3 minutes and I'm sweating now. And you know the best thing about today's fireworks is that it is going to be along the river side. So it will be a great view to see, I think. The river is there and next to the river you are seeing the fireworks like that it's going to be. So I am very excited for that. So guys, rush is there, but you know, let's see in the train how much rush is it's going to be, because at the station I can see some rush. See rush. As you can see, it's too hot. वो देखो भाई, shit. These are people. So guys, I have reached Kitasenju and you see how much rush it is that today. There you can see the board, welcome to the fireworks festival.
花火会場は進行方向左手、階段、エスカレーターを降りてください。右側通行です。協力をお願いいたします。花火会場は向かって左。ただいま駅構内では右側通行実施。
Oh man, too much rush. So guys, we have reached here around 7 o'clock and now I am trying to find the spot which will help me see the fireworks, and you can see how much rush it is today. Okay guys, so I came here for Hanabi Taikai, like the fireworks festival, and around 7 lakh people joined, as I told you before. But suddenly, because of rain, you can see, because of rain, the event has been cancelled. So now suddenly, and around 7 lakh people are going to return back by train. So imagine how the train situation is going to be. So I am a bit scared. So I am thinking to stay here for some time and show you the crowd and everything, so that at least you can enjoy and see if a festival in which 7 lakh people have joined gets cancelled, how the situation becomes. Bye bye. So they are saying bye. So just see the festival, like it got cancelled, but yeah. See, these guys prepared everything for the event, but it got cancelled. So it's sad for them as well. So you can see it's too much rush, right? See. And 7-Eleven is also full right now. 7-Eleven, it's full. And now since it's raining, they are packing everything. So it's sad. Behind me also you can see a lot of people are going back. Yeah, mood kharab ho gaya. It shouldn't have happened today. It rained at unnecessary time. You can see thunderstorm. The bijli kadakne ki awaaz also you can hear. This. They prepared everything, but they are winding it up. The thing is that I didn't bring my umbrella as well because I thought today it's not going to rain. I felt like that, but it rained. Japan's monsoon department was not expecting that it's going to rain right now, so they kept the event. But you never know about God, what the God will do. See. See, people have taken shelter. See watermelon. Guys, let's take shelter because it has started raining heavily. Let's take some rest. Well, let's move. Everyone is moving. Guys, the situation is very bad. It's too crowded. Like if any bhagdad happens, so you know what's going to happen. Let's walk under the shade. Shade is there. So people are walking here and there. So this lane they have kept for vehicles, like small vehicles. For example, this cycle is coming, right? So it's fine for that. So yeah, this is how the situation is right now. You know, people take it lightly, but sometimes if something happens in this kind of situation, then you never know what can happen. Guys, feeling humid. Humidity feel ho rahi hai. Now you can see this line has stopped, but our line is continuously moving. So we have almost reached the station. Guys, even the ambulance has come. So maybe somebody got hurt or something like that. Or maybe it's for safety purpose. I'm not sure about that right now. So we have to go there. And we are going right now here. It's not that we can go from anywhere. We have to follow the paths. And also I am thinking about the situation inside the trains. Guys, just now they made an announcement that if you want to board a JR, then you have to go straight. So we all are walking straight. So let's see where we will reach. Oh, we reached. So that is Kita Senju station. So that is JR. Finally we reached the station, but let's see how it is going to be inside the trains. We want to board Chiyoda-sen, so I'll go to Chiyoda-sen. Guys, I have walked a bit and now it feels like a little empty space is there. Then it's fine, like it's not crowded here. Let's see inside the train how it is going to be. Let me touch my wallet. My name is here. So guys, I have to board from this side. So platform number 2 is my station. not that crowded. It's great that it's not that crowded. Right. So guys, the trains are not crowded at all. See, not crowded at all. So it's fine. Now let's reach home and let's see at Minami Nagarayama, my station, if it's raining or not. So guys, I have reached Minami Nagarayama station and still it's raining. But since I don't have umbrella, I have to walk like this to my cycle stand. So I don't know when the girl behind me is laughing, seeing me that it's raining and the guy is making video. What is this? Without umbrella? So it's fine. Let's walk towards the restaurant and take the bicycle fast. Yeah. You know, today I didn't park at the back side. Today I parked at the front side. So I'm just seeing that nobody sees me. And I quickly take my bicycle and go. Let's see if somebody sees me or not. Let me stop the video or take the cycle first. Okay, it's fine. Nobody's here. So my cycle is here. Let me take it. So guys, since it's raining, I have kept all my phones and my headphone, everything into my bag. So now it's safe. See, it's all wet. The roads are wet. Well, now I'm going to go back home and sleep or take rest or watch Bigg Boss, whatever I'll do. So you take care and have fun. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.